Hi, I'm Pat,
I'm Larry.
and we're from Maryland, and we live in one of the original neighborhoods.
We came here with a long list of things we had researched that we were looking for. Seemed like everything was here that we wanted.
And guess what? The next thing I know, he's writing a check. So I'm like, okay, this is where we're moving to. When we got here, we found that everybody here has the same reason why they came to Kissing Tree, because they want to have fun, but they all came from different walks of life. There's something here for everybody. There isn't anyone that if they wanted to get out and do things, that they couldn't find something that they really want to do here.
For us, I'm the introvert.
I'm the social butterfly, and we have found that Kissing Tree allows us to have things that we can do together, like the hiking we do together, we do tubing, we've been known to play bocce ball together, then I go do water aerobics and line dancing.
I do a little bocce ball, I do a little horseshoes.
And at the end of the day, we talk about what great experiences we had, and we just are having a blast. Signing that check was absolutely perfect.
Whether you knew I was doing it or not.
Yeah, that's true, but it was the best thing we ever did.